New York City is a unique place. It's really close to my heart because it gives you space for self-expression, and I can see that everywhere. It was a great decision to be here because I want to study marketing analytics. I'm surrounded by great companies.
When you come to New York, different people, different food, so it gives you a lot of motivation to stay in New York.
It's a really close-knit community because we have everything on campus. We live where we learn. Everyone was so welcoming and everyone makes you feel like you belong. And I feel like that's how New York is in general.
As a student who studies business, I feel like it's really important for you to not just learn the theory, but also get the experience into the real business world. And I feel like the professors at Pace are really doing a great job at it.
On Pleasantville campus, we have Choate Pond, where we measure water quality. As an information systems major who loves to work with data, we're basically trying to build a program where we deliver water quality measurements to people who live on campus.
So I got to know two of my professors really, really well, so I started to do research with them. They founded me to go to Hawaii for the American Society of Plant Biologists conference.
In order to start getting an internship or to apply for interviews and all of that, you have to complete the Inspire program. And the Inspire program teaches you what's a cover letter, how to do your resume, what's Handshake, what's LinkedIn, why do you need them, what to say in an interview. The fact that Pace doesn't let you go out there without knowing all that, it tells you what you need to know and how to do it. I think that's amazing, and I think that's what got me for internships.
That resonates with me a lot. Another important environment that you can count on as an international student, which is the ISS, where you can go there and ask questions if you need supporting documents for traveling or for continuing your employment experience in the US. So I do believe that Pace gives us a structure and support all the steps.
I got my internship and also I got my first job, which I'm doing after graduation, thanks to career services.
The professionals and the faculty, the people that are teaching us, are experienced in the world. For example, my editing professor is an editor at the History Channel. Having someone like that teach me is really amazing, and I get to learn a lot from her. Every day at Pace you can learn something new. Go to a new clever organization at Pace every week. Go to all the services that Pace offers, international services, career services, even the health services.
This is your chance. You should use it as much as you can.
Also enjoy it. It's a really great experience.
Explore everything that you can get from Pace. People are awesome here. Everyone is there to help. You will get to live in New York. That's the best part.